last couple of quarters, these companies lowered estimates. We're still trading at the lowest levels. The data that I went back to is 23 years. It's probably even further than that. That's how far we've come down in terms of small caps. And you've seen a nice jump, but I still think there's a ton of potential left because they just sold off so hard. Not every name is going to do good, but there's a lot of names within the Russell 2000 you could buy right now that have incredible potential 6-12 months out.
Yeah, no, the PEG ratio is attractive. You know what I like also, and I want to get your thoughts on this. Hedge funds are betting big time against small caps. They are net negative. They're net short right now. At some point, I think if this moves the way we were talking about, they're going to end up chasing retail investors.
They will, right? I mean, that could amount to a massive short squeeze, which we like to see in this industry. So, and that will happen, especially if the Fed decides to slow down or stop raising rates, which I think they are going to do in September. I mean, people don't realize how much a 75 basis point hike is. It's unprecedented. We've seen it in 1994 the last time. Now we've had two, and we're seeing the effects, right? I mean, if we just leave it, we look at some of the things, people point to unemployment doing very well. But overall, if you're looking at gasoline prices, oil prices, you're looking at demand for home prices coming down. You're seeing copper, wheat, corn, lumber down 30, 40, 50%. We still have ways to go, but you're seeing it work. And if they overshoot, that's the biggest risk. But if they come out in September and say, look, we're going to slow down, let's see what happens, that's when you think this could really roar. And if you'll probably get a massive short covering too. This thing will really take off with the Russell.
All right, before I let you go, it's been a long time. What are you buying right now? What do you like?
Two companies. I want to wait till they report tomorrow. Norwegian Cruise Lines. It's a lot different from Carnival and Royal, which are terrible companies. You're going to see a lot of separation in these industries. This company, 80% of their debt is fixed. They have $3 billion liquidity, earnings, cash flow, revenue going to surge. And also a small pharmaceutical company, MyMD, just reported really great results. Under the radar, smaller company, high risk, high reward. They target, it's immunotherapy play that targets the same things that Humira targets. The safety and efficacy on this drug have been absolutely fantastic. I have a personal thing in it too because my daughter has Crohn's. This is something that can help it tremendously. And Humira is the #1 selling drug in the world, $20 billion in sales. If these guys get it right, it's massive, massive upside. MyMD is my speculative play.
Wow, very touching as well. You know, I hope the hedge fund shorts don't come in and attack this one like they try to attack all of them. A lot of these companies are trying to do good for humanity, and they just look like sitting targets for the shorts at times. Frank, it's been too long.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot, my friend. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Coming up, do you remember this commercial from the 70s?